Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments, and I'm at the clubroom area at the Westcott, the clubroom area. So let's explore this clubroom area. It's super fun. It's a really big area. It's clubroom and media lounge. So we'll kind of start over here in the clubroom, game room area. This is really, really fun. You can see we're right on the same floor with the pool. It's a really fun area. There's a poker area. How cool is that? That's really fun. There's a actual pool table, and it feels almost like a restaurant here. This is a great feel. There's some benches and things like that are over here. This is so super fun. You can see also just this kind of bar area, really, really attractive. This is an unusual, very high class. Again, just it would be great if they had a private bar. That would be amazing. This would be a fun place to have an event. There's more benches and things like that over here. Then there's the media lounge. So this is an area that you could, just have your own little event. You could be here on Saturdays and checking out some good SEC football. Aggies, Longhorns, Razorbacks, Mustangs, Rockets. Whoever you want to watch here, this would be great. It's got a really good kind of a wood feel. It feels like a really premium kind of country club feel in here. So this is a really nice lounge, media lounge that's on the 4th floor. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.